All right, hey guys, what's up? I'm here at the track, and I'm gonna show you guys how I go around the track for the first time. One of you guys asked, how do you do that? Got the B6 here ready to go, and we're just gonna go for it. When I first start off on a track, I take it very slow, take it pretty slow. I usually hit the jumps with enough speed to clear them. But besides that, I'll take everything pretty slow for the first few laps. And then I start to add in some speed in different sections of the track each lap that after I've gotten somewhat used to it. So let's say over the course of 10 laps, 3 of those laps are just to get used to it, taking it pretty slow. The next 2 is me probably figuring out the exit of the straightaway. And any jumps that might be pretty tricky. Then the next 2, so what am I at? That's 7, right? Then the next 2 is me trying to add in more speed, maybe in some of the corners. But even after 10 laps, I'm still not totally used to the track. But by then, I've become familiar, maybe I should say that, I've become familiar with the track to see certain sections that I can improve on especially throughout my practice session. So let's say after the 10 laps, I'm doing pretty good, but I'm seeing a few trouble areas. Areas that I'm taking too wide, areas that I'm not landing correctly. The next laps, I will work on just that one section until I get that section somewhat good, or until I get it good enough, or get it to where I want it to be. And then once I've mastered that section, then I'll move on to another section that I feel like I have a problem with. Yeah, and also while I'm doing this, I have no problem in pulling my car off to the side and looking at some of the other drivers that are there, especially if they're faster than me, and see if I can do the same things that they are doing. Okay, so I'm going to describe a perfect lap after I've gone around the track a few times. So down the straightaway, I hit the brake, turned a little bit. I would have liked to straighten it out right there, but sometimes I wasn't able to. So I just would have liked to pop over that, land, maybe gas it a little bit, or hit maybe like half throttle, flip the brake, turn, and then I would have liked to go full throttle into that jump, and then up the face of it, tap the brakes, just pop over that. So I hit the landing ramp either on an angle or as close as I can to that inside corner to straight shot it to the next corner. Kind of like half, 3/4 throttle to get to that corner. Then once I get to that corner, hit the brake and turn, really snap the back end around. And I would like to do full throttle into the face of that jump, kind of tap the brake again to scrub and just pop over that jump. I don't know, kind of blip it to full throttle a little bit until you get to the face of that little lobe, and then I ease up, take that jump, land, and then you can take that whole chicane in about half to 3/4 throttle. Then you jump over that. I like to hit the landing ramp, full throttle, into the turn. As soon as the turn comes, smash on the brake, turn, then blip the throttle again and just pop over that big-ish tabletop. And then I would like to land, turn a teeny bit, and really do like a straight shot, really nick those 2 corners. Landing on that ramp, cutting those 2 corners really close so I can pretty much do full throttle going through those 2 corners, up the face, hit the brake, turn, then smash it for the straightaway. What I described was a perfect lap. That's what I would try to do every single lap. So now I'm going to show some footage of me going around the track. I hope you guys were able to learn something from that. I was having some technical difficulties, and I think I shot enough.
So hopefully you guys were able to learn something from that. If you did, let me know down in the comments if you liked it, and if you have any video suggestions, feel free to put them down there as well, because I'm kind of running out. So yeah, I'll see you guys next week or at the track.